morning, ladies and gentlemen. Marcel and I would like to take a few moments to discuss and inform our members surrounding an unprecedented health crisis which has affected all of us in some form or fashion. That being said, I am very pleased and proud to advise that our team has been working collaboratively and non-stop to develop a proactive response model. This proactive response model consists of 10 components. And what I will do is I will touch on all 10 components. Some of them I will just touch on, and others I will elaborate a little bit further on. But some of these devices and initiatives which we have implemented within this model consists of, number one, a screening assessment tool. Everyone, we want to ensure, utilizes the self-assessment tool to ensure that you're taking every preventative measure yourself to identify right as soon as possible any symptoms surrounding COVID-19. Buildings. I think everybody here recognizes the fact that all of our police facilities have restricted access to the public, and that will continue until this subsides. PPEs. When we're talking about PPEs, we're talking about N95 respirators, gloves and goggles, and the fact that we want to ensure that all of our members have all of this protective equipment. Decontamination process. We're currently in the process of developing the policy and procedures surrounding those members that unfortunately may get contaminated with it. It is in essence basically a portable shower, which is outside right now, male and female portable shower. And as I stated, we will be coming out with the policies and procedures surrounding that device. Reserve platoon redeployment model. This is something that we are currently developing. The Deputy Chief will be putting out more information come Tuesday. But in essence, what it is we are taking the 4 platoons, dividing them in half, and basically making 8 platoons, so that you have a reserve platoon that is basically a backup platoon. It is a last resort. This is something that we do not want to implement if we do not have to, but it needs to be in place to maintain and ensure that we always have sufficient staffing levels for not only our organization, but our community as a whole. Fleet. What I would ask in regards to fleet is, please, everyone, increase your basic preventative hygiene measures. Bear in mind that that cruiser is your office on wheels, but that cruiser is someone else's office on wheels prior to you starting the shift and at the conclusion of your shift. So please be cognizant of everyone else. We have identified certain people within our organization that can work at home, and we currently have 6 members that are working from home, once again to limit the exposure or the potential exposure to COVID-19. We have just recently purchased a NOCO spray machine. This machine has the capability to disinfect specific areas, for example, a room, an office, or even a car, a cruiser. Finally, I want to commend our COVID Police Committee. They meet on a daily basis, and it consists of administration and association members, and they try to disseminate information to be as transparent in regards to what is occurring not just within our organization, but within our municipality, locally, and even at the provincial level, to keep us all apprised as to how this is unfolding within our municipality. In summation, and on behalf of Chatham-Kent Police Senior Administration, the Chatham-Kent Police Association, and the Chatham-Kent Police Services Board, we wish to commend all of our members in doing a stellar job during a unprecedented time in our history. Please remember to stay safe, healthy, and well. Further, remember that we cannot begin to help others until we help ourselves. God bless, and remember to look out for each other as we battle through this pandemic. Marcel?
The only thing, speaking to the members, that I'd like to add is that I would like to provide you assurances in the fact that our COVID committee meet on a daily basis, and assurances that across the province there's at least not more than a handful of organizations that are doing this type of planning when it comes to the platoon structure. What that is being done for is for everybody's safety. Obviously, people are going to have a lot of questions once this message goes out and the deputy's next message comes out in the days to come. And when you do, I'd like you to reach out to myself, which will be working today and tomorrow and over the weekend, and as well reach out to any of the executive members that are more than happy to assist, including Dave Miller and Daniel Lunn, who are on the COVID committee, as well as Vice President Victoria Labadie. Stay safe, everybody, and this is one of the most important times to be working as a team.